Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna see the sum of the commodity and the cryptos guys. This is the commodity of the gold. You can see here guys, I will just stretch it on and you can exactly see here guys, this is the trend line is coming along. So what we have to see right now is that I will just remove it guys so we can get the good picture. So somewhere here only it goes on a consolidation, or this will be acting as a supporting area. I will show you just a second. This will act as one of the major supporting areas guys. Okay guys, if it will consolidate, after that it goes on a break out, then you can see your first, this will be the second target, third target, fourth, and even fifth and final target guys. Okay guys, I am giving you the smaller target guys, because of if you wanted to exit somewhere here or here, you do not get the exit point. That's why I have given you some of the exit points. You can even take from here profit or somewhere here. Okay guys, you do not want to take that. I will give you first target and second target, so you do not get the exit point. So that's why I have given you exit points also. That's why I have taken a smaller target for you guys. Okay guys, so in downside momentum, if you can see here guys, if it will consolidate and taken resistance, your first target will be here. This will be the act as one of the major supporting areas guys. If this is broken, then you can expect your bigger target. This will be the second, this will be the third and final target guys. Okay guys, if price action made and you have confidence in your own trade, you can take it further also, but what I think I have told you up till there, you can consider your target. Okay guys, somewhere here you can see here one of the major supporting areas, it will act as one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, you can see here guys, exactly if it will consolidate, after what happened, this will be the your first target guys, this will be the your second target, this will be the third, and this will be the fourth and final target. In this will be the crude oil guys. Sorry, I have not told you, this is the crude oil analysis guys. Okay guys, what I am telling you is that this is the one of the major resistance area. If this area has been broken, then you can expect the bigger picture also guys. This is first target, second target, or even it can broke this target too, and you can achieve more also. If you have confidence, then you can take it down guys. Okay guys, if this will consolidate and this high is broken, then also you can go for entry, and this will be the first, second, third target and fourth and final target. Okay guys, in downside also, if it will consolidate and key in downside once again, then your first target will be the somewhere here, second target will be here guys, third target and fourth and final target I will expect up till here guys. Okay guys, these are the sum of the target. Also I have the Telegram channel. If I get the some of the good pictures of any commodity or any forex or any of the crypto, I will surely post you in there. You can check out the link in the description of my Telegram channel guys. Hope you are getting the smaller picture guys. And also I will tell you guys, take your risk. You have to manage your risk. I am telling you how market will behave, but risk manages your idea and yourself, because what I can do is that I will tell you how market can behave, but it doesn't mean it makes like that only it can behave, because you know that the news also come, news will be hitted in the market. So what happens, somewhere it goes wrong also, what we have been expected. So that also you have to take your risk management. Okay guys, here I will tell you some of the things is that this is the trend line is coming along guys. Okay guys, from upside also somewhere like this trend line is going on guys. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that, just a second guys, I'm watching. Okay, it can break and uses upper side momentum, bigger upper side momentum guys. So what I am expecting is that if it will consolidate and broke, then our first target will be here, second target, our third and final target. Okay guys, these are the what I am saying, that it will consolidate and broken, then it gives us very bigger target also guys. This is the third target, but I will expect up till here also guys. Okay guys, so you have to book your partially guys. In second target only you have to book your 70% also guys. I will always tell you, if you are beginner, please book your second target only, your 70 to 80%, and rest of your confidence, then you can take it out. Otherwise, please, risk management is very important guys, because we play for risk management. Never underestimate that the okay, I will not keep SL, because you do not keep SL one, just a one shot. You can see here guys, this is one shot, this is one shot. Within this shot only your capital will be destroyed. If that happened, then you cannot be traded once again in the market, and you get the fear. That's why I am telling you, give small SL and make a bigger profit. Okay guys, if it will take here resistance, then it has to broke this. If this is broken, then you can expect your first target here to first target, second target, and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target. These all are the commodity what I have told you, all three: gold and crude oil, and this is the natural gas. All three we have been discussed. Now we can see the some of the crypto. Okay guys, you can see here guys, crypto, what happened is that this is continuously consolidating. Here only I have made it. You can see here guys, what happened is that somewhere here only continuously consolidating, taking support, and however this trend line has been broken. I have made it bigger picture, so huge momentum has been came guys. Somewhere here only we have halted. After that it is going on consolidation, we have exited and given us very big and nicer momentum. Okay guys, right now this is the sum of the thing is that what I am expecting is that here pole and flag pattern is I am seeing. You can see here pole, and right now it is flag. If it gonna break, it gives us very bigger picture guys. If continuously consolidate and on Monday or Tuesday it has been broken, our first target will be here, second target, third target. Okay guys, even fourth target up till here you can achieve guys. 35,000 almost you can touch by the BTC. Okay guys, hope you are getting this all analysis guys. If downside also we can have to discuss guys. So this is the one of the major thing is somewhere here. Okay guys, if this is broken, then what happened is that this is broken, then take resistance. Our first target will be here, second target, third and final target guys. These are the sum of the three target in downside momentum. Okay guys, in Ethereum also we have to discuss. You can see here guys, continuously here you can see that pole. Right now flag pattern has been made it. So what we have to say, this is the one of the major resistance area. If this is broken, taken support, our first target, our second target, third and final target guys. These are the some of the three target which you can take it out. Okay guys, this has been broken. Okay guys, this has been broken, then you can expect your first target will be somewhere here, second target, and even third target guys. These are the some of the cryptos analysis guys. If you have any doubt or any queries, please comment me down and tell me your queries. And hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much.